It's Friday and I'm off today, so I'm going to use this time to go on a couple bike rides. These are relatively short ones, and so I see two that I can go to this morning in Brentwood, Tennessee. I actually have a total of four that I've seen, so I'll probably do two today and then maybe two in another time. But I'm going to get ready. We're going to head over to Crockett Park Loop and check that out. So I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I'm here. I'm at Crockett Park Loop in Brentwood, Tennessee. Gonna get out and maybe get you some information. I was lucky because I got a nice parking spot under a shaded area. So it's very hot today. I don't know, mid-90s. It's a heat wave time right at the moment, but I'll be okay. These are short trips, and I'll be in an air-conditioned car in between trips, so I'll be good. But we're gonna go ahead and check this out and get started. So this trail, let's preview the trail. Actually, no, don't want that. So this is a trail where you're basically going in this little loop around. There's some ball parks here. So I'm at the blue dot, and then I'll just go around and come back. And so it says it's about 2 miles, so it should be a nice little ride. So let me get going here, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm in the right area. Now I know where we're going. Let's begin. Okay, that was fun. I will say this, it's nice to have an app like All Trails because there's so many little places you can go off on, like because they take you to different ballparks and different little places and fields, and so it's really nice to have an app like All Trails. So good job, All Trails. So it looks like, and again, you can see these little green paths. I just kind of went off the path a little bit, checked things out, and it's funny because that one part I went to looked like a real path, so maybe it's another one somewhere. But so at least for today, for this one, so I'm going to go to another one. I did 2.6 miles in about 27 minutes, and so it's very hot. Things are serious now because I'm got the towels out and everything, so it's definitely a hot day. But it is July, so what can you do? Just stay hydrated and take breaks. I took a lot of breaks on this ride, I'm sure you noticed. So just because that way I can also get some nice views and then take a little rest. Just being smart. Let me find out where I'm going next. I'll let you know here in a second, and then we'll head that way. Okay, so I found the next one I'm going to go to, and it's in Brentwood, and it's about 20 minutes away, and it's Deerwood Arboretum Trail. Sorry if I didn't say that right. And this is about a mile, which I think is going to be good. That'll be a good day if I'm doing two, because I'll do the other two next time. But again, just a little loop. So I'm going to drive over there, and we'll hit that trail here in just a little bit. Okay, we are here at Deerwood Arboretum Trail. So I'm going to get out, just take a look around real quick, and then I'll get ready and we'll get on the trail. Looks like this trail, like I said before, is just a little loop. So we'll just loop around. Looks like there's a creek or a river here, so that'll be nice. So I'll get ready for that, and we'll head out. sneak in here for a second in the shade. Check out this little creek or whatever it may be. Very peaceful. Okay, so this was a good one as well. Very short, 1.1 miles. It was a loop. I would say that the pavement had a couple of issues, but other than that, I think it was pretty good. But yeah, enough shade and you know, a nice little area to go into. And then I got some shots of the creek and all that. So glad I could find that. So I'm going to cool off here and do my final thoughts. Okay. It's funny, I was trying to find a shady place because every time I do these recordings, I just turn the car off because I've been getting that buzzing noise. And it is super hot, so I've been trying to just cool off and then make a video. But I just looked, it's 95 degrees, and I at least had to find some shade. So, reposition myself. Here we go. So I did 2 bike rides today in Brentwood, Tennessee, which is not too far away from where I am, probably about 45 minutes or so. But again, 2 short drives, 2 short trails. And this one I just did was nice. So I would say overall, it's hot, and so it's really important to bring food and water and to rest in the shade if possible. And both trails were nice. I think the last one I just did had some bumps in it, but that's fine. I mean, it's just, it's just a well-worn trail. But overall, it's hot, and I got the towels out today, so it's pretty serious. But I enjoyed myself. So I'll get this on YouTube, and I'll see you at the next one. Have a great day.